If you guys are tired of the middle bust down, it's time to try something different. Let me show you this parting style that's going to change the way you wear your wigs. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the style. Color is phenomenal on this. I want to do a complete install, so let's get right into it. I'm gonna show you the comb and pull the drawstring. I don't want this wig to slide around on my head. Take my wax stick, push this hairline back. You can see that the wig comes with a middle part. You can change that if you want to, because this is a 13 by 6. I will put the link in the description box. Go ahead and take a clip and push this hair back. The hairline, y'all, this looks so good. Like, cut it just a little bit into this area so that it won't fall over my ear. They do have it where it's supposed to go around the ear, which is fine, but it's touching my ear, and I like comfort if I'm going to be wearing my wig. So I'm just going to get rid of some of this so they won't touch my ear. That's better. Now, one thing you can tell with this wig is it just is made to look very natural. See the edges, how they just naturally fall. I want to keep that, but I do know I need to lay this area down. I can definitely go glueless if I want to because of the drawstring strap. I really want to at least lay down this front with some type of product. Use a melting spray, and they also have the regular straps in this wig too, so if you don't need a more secure hold, you can use both straps at one time. So today I'm going to take my melting spray from my Sticky Little Secret. I love this. It's not going to turn white. It's going to lay down that lace. It's going to give a slight hold without giving an extreme hold. Make the wig look like it's growing from my scalp, which it already does. Get all the hairs out the way before you do this. Lay the lace right into that product, and I dried it just a little bit so that it won't run down my face. Oh, it's getting a little wet there. Make sure if you get the product in the hair, you take it out of the hair, because if it's too much into the hair, it's just gonna look stringy, and we don't want that. We want a flawless install. And dry just a little bit more. We all know that parting down the middle and a C part and a side part is really nice, but I want to switch it up and do something different. We're going to do a zigzag part. I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to need a comb like this. It's a parting comb. You can see that it has that little center here. If you want to perfect it anyway, you can use this comb, or you can just use a regular comb, but I would not advise using a comb like this. You want some type of rat tail comb, okay? With this wig, it looks good as is. As you can see, the hairline and everything is amazing. But to give it a more natural, realistic look, okay, we expect the bust down middle part. It's always the middle part that they look for. We're gonna switch it up, and I'm gonna show you how to do that zigzag part. They won't expect that one, girl. You can start on this side, or you can start on that side. Whatever you think look good on you. I think I'm gonna start on this side here, and I'm just gonna take it at the hairline. You're gonna start right here at this hairline, and we're gonna go this way like we're doing a side part. And then what I'm gonna do is take my wax stick, lay it there. Now you can wet the hair and do this. I'm just being difficult right now, but you can actually start with the root area wet with some water. But I'm just gonna take the hot comb and open that up. I'm gonna use the back of the comb. How about that? Now you want to take the hair, and depending on how wide, this is really long. This is a really long part, so I'm not gonna keep it there. I'm gonna shorten it down some. And I'm gonna take my comb, place it here, go back this way, create a V shape. Okay, so I have this area, that area. Don't have to be this deep. We're gonna actually shorten that some, like so. Open it up. Make sure the hair go where you want it to go. So basically all you're doing is going back and forth, same steps over and over again. Then I'm gonna go back this way. You can see I got one V. All right, I'm gonna link this comb for you guys because it's one of my favorite when it comes to parting, because it really do put the hair where you want it to go, and it gives a clean parting. Use my hot comb and press that parting open. Again, you don't have to do it so wide. Just keep it very simple. I'm gonna start right here with a third area that's parted, and you can see for yourself how good that looks. Okay, so this is what it should look like when you're done. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and just take the kinks out this hair. And I already told you guys I really like this hair. I think this may be the first color style like this I have ever tried from Myfirstwig, and I'm not disappointed. And I love the way they did their highlights, very professional. Again, I will have this wig link below in the description box for you guys. Check the link below. While you're down there, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so So I'm gonna take just a little bit of this foundation and go in that parting so it can be a little bit more visible, because sometimes the hair have a lot of volume to it at the roots, and if you don't want that flat look, then you need to just open up your parting. A foundation, concealer, whatever you want. I'm gonna spray the hairline with a bit of holding spray, and then take my hot comb and give it volume. I'm gonna bring down some edges. This is optional. You can leave it as is. It's just up to you and your preference. And curl it. Again, all these tools can be found in the description box of today's video. I'm gonna take my razor and just cut these edges really short. So I don't like the intense look with baby hair, so you know I'm gonna keep it cute, keep it very soft. Spray my brush because I don't want a harsh look, so I want more of softer edges, like so. Gives just a little bit and not too much. I'm gonna do the same thing here. And we have the finished look. So this is what the parting look like. I think it gives a but it looks really good to me. I feel like that sometimes that middle part can be just too much. Just switching it up, it kind of gives a more natural look, and nobody would expect a parting like this. I just really like this so much. It looks good, like, because sometimes the middle part for me, depending on the style, just makes me look very harsh. My features just look too harsh and I don't like it. So this gives a more softer look. And if you are a person also that like the no part, you don't have a part, this is like an illusion of that, because when I go like this, it's like, okay, it's a hair pushed back, but when I go like this, you get, let me show you the back. Alright y'all, I am not disappointed with how everything turned out. This looks so good to me. Deep, fake looking middle part. We actually have something that's very natural looking. So let me know if you guys try out the parting. Tell me if you like it. Tell me how it worked out for you. And let me know what you think about today's wig. It will be linked below in the description box. Take a moment to like the video, subscribe, and also be sure to turn on that bell for notifications. To catch up on more content from me, be sure to click my name and you will be taken to my channel, where you can find a lot of helpful videos for hairstyling tips and tricks, and also you can find more content that you might have missed over on my channel.